Experiencing the No Bootable Device error on Windows 11 after an update can be incredibly frustrating. But I've personally navigated this exact problem and discovered several robust solutions that genuinely work. This guide consolidates those effective strategies, ensuring you can quickly restore your system's functionality and get back to work. We're diving straight into the practical steps that resolve this critical boot issue. Our first approach involves meticulously checking the boot order within your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. This is often the simplest fix because a Windows update can sometimes inadvertently reset or alter the boot priority, causing your PC to look for an operating system on the wrong drive. By re-establishing the correct boot device, typically your primary SSD or HDD, you instruct the system exactly where to find Windows 11. Next, we move into repairing corrupted boot files using the Windows recovery environment. Updates, especially major ones, can sometimes corrupt critical system files like the master boot record or boot configuration data. These components are essential for initiating the Windows startup process. Utilizing commands like bootrec-dir fixboot and bootrec-dir rebuild BC effectively rebuilds these damaged structures, allowing your system to correctly identify and load the operating system. Following that, disabling secure boot and fast startup can be a surprisingly effective workaround. Secure boot can clash with newly updated drivers or system configurations, preventing legitimate boot processes. Fast startup using hibernation can also lead to inconsistencies. Temporarily disabling these features can eliminate conflicts, preventing your drive from being recognized as bootable. Finally, if all else fails, reverting the recent Windows update is a powerful solution. When an update introduces fundamental changes or incompatible drivers, it can directly cause the No Bootable Device error. Rolling back to a previous, stable version of Windows 11 effectively removes the problematic update, restoring your system to a state where it can boot normally. This isolates the update as the direct cause and provides immediate relief.